Right now, the market looks broken. Prices are falling, oil is rising, and every headline is filled with fear. But what if this chaos is actually creating one of the biggest investing opportunities in years? Most people will panic, but smart investors? They prepare. Look at what's happening. One day markets go up, next day, everything crashes. This isn't random, this is uncertainty. And uncertainty creates overreaction, fear, and volatility. The market right now is not stable. It's confused. Here's what most people miss. The stock market is reacting to oil. When oil prices rise, inflation risk increases. Costs go up, economic pressure builds. And suddenly, recession becomes a possibility. This chain reaction is why markets are falling. If oil stays high, central banks face a problem. They cannot lower interest rates. They may even need to raise them. And when rates rise, money becomes expensive. Growth slows down, markets drop. This is the fear currently being priced in. Now here's what changes everything. Over the last 100 years, bull markets last longer, bear markets are shorter, and long-term markets always go up. Even during crashes, recovery follows. Not based on opinion, but based on data. Most people try to predict the market. That's the mistake. Because the truth is, nobody knows what happens next. So what's the strategy? Don't panic. Don't chase. Don't guess. Instead, invest consistently. Focus on strong assets. Stay in the market. Here's something powerful. Every major crisis in history created opportunity, lower prices, better entries, higher future returns. Smart investors don't fear crashes. They use them because wealth is built during uncertainty, not comfort. The market may go up or it may go down, but if you follow the right strategy, you win either way. Because in finance, it's not about predicting the future. It's about being prepared for it. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe to Future Finance Lab. Because smart investing starts with the right mindset.